Hello there, fellow dropshippers. In this video, I'll be sharing with you a step-by-step guide on how to start dropshipping with absolutely no money. Yes, you heard that right, $0 needed. First things first, let's talk about dropshipping and what it really means. Dropshipping is an e-commerce model that allows you to sell products online without having to hold any inventory. You simply need to create an online store, list products that you want to sell, and when a customer places an order, you purchase the product from a third-party supplier who ships it directly to the customer. By the way, if you want to see more videos where I explain how to launch and grow your e-commerce business, then click and subscribe now. To get started with dropshipping, you first need to choose a profitable niche. I recommend going for a niche that you're passionate about, as it will be easier for you to create the content and market the products. Conduct a thorough research using tools like Google Trends and subreddit stats to look for low competition niches and emerging trends. Next, you'll need to choose an e-commerce platform to set up your online store. However, instead of paying $29 a month for a platform like Shopify, you can use an alternative platform such as Card for just $9 a year. This platform offers a wide range of features and customization options. That's all you need to start your online business. After deciding on your niche and setting up your e-commerce store, you need to find free products to dropship. You can use websites like AliExpress, Supplyful, or Printful to find free products to sell. These websites offer a wide range of products from different suppliers that can be white labeled and dropshipped directly to your customers without holding any inventory. With our online store and free products ready, we need to start an ad campaign. But instead of using paid advertising, you can use social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok to promote your products with organic videos. For example, we've all heard of the famous Dollar Shave Club ad that was made in a single shot and generated multi-eight-figure revenue. And if you don't have a budget and you can't retain a creative agency, there's still a way. Take Tabs Chocolate as an example. They are running dozens of user-generated content videos, and I know that each video costs them less than $70, but you can do it yourself for free, of course. If you want to dive deeper and learn how to build your coffee or protein dropshipping business with Supplyful, then click the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you soon.